How many of your friends will see you they drive up one little beat up car and they are driving a big truck, brand name car, and then them have a little cookout and them invite you. And when you go at the cookout, a granny yard the person live. In a granny house. Poor granny they know not even get little money if you contribute toward the mortgage or the utilities. They run down granny house with them 20 pitney and just fancy and flashy. You know where your Walmart shoes and your PLS shoes and your Walmart brand and your clearance stuff. When you know have a party at your yard and you give them the address, and when they pull up, them a call you because the address does not match the way how you dress. So them start calling you now and I think I'm lost. Because within themselves, the way how you dress, you don't live nowhere. Guys, keep on fooling them, man. How can you be dressing fancy in the latest fashion, driving the latest car, and you live in a grandma house? Yes, grandma house. Or your mother house, or your auntie house. Yes, the one them but filed for you and brought you up here. Yes, in the country that you are right now. And you're not even buy food for your eat. You're not even contributing to the market. You're not contributing to the utilities. But to dress in the latest stuff. You need to get out of granny house and go find your own place to live. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and I am back at it again. This guy said to me that, yo, why you dressed like that, man? Yo, you look shabby. I said, what you talking about? He said, man, you're working, you can't buy some clothes. I said, what you talking about, man? Only to find out the guy is sleeping at his grandma assistant living home in her couch. Don't got a bed. You have a lot of family that, even though you're not supposed to do it, they take up residence in their grandma or in their mom, one-room apartment, and they sleep on the couch and then catch on the bed. Yes, those are the type of folks I'm talking about. I'm from Jamaica, and you have a lot of Jamaicans leave Jamaica and come up here and do the same thing. You see them on social media, they are flashy. They're flashy, they look rich and they look like them have it. Them even pose off pan car, why even I don't fit them. They act like them rich. Them deck out, name brand from head to foot. And you check it out. Grandma want get rid of them out of our basement and grandma can't get him out. Leave Jamaica for over 15 years now and still living in a grandma basement. Grandma want get him out. No want leave out a grandma basement. They even pushing off grandma half of her bed in her assisted living home. Sleeping in a grandma couch and run it down. Peep up our grandma couch. Yes. Even got girl, they make love in a grandma couch. Yes. Got a lot of people like that. Leave Jamaica and they come to America, they come to England, they come to Canada. And you think that when we leave out of the struggle and leave out of the hassle, we would be pressing to achieve something better. But only to realize that we come up and it's like we take on this bossy slave mentality. Yeah, bossy slave. You got a lot of people with that. Bossy slave. Them a slave, but them boss. Bossy, but them a slave. Them dress up, but them a slave to poverty. They don't got nothing. Lot of people like that. And I said to the guy, yo, you don't know what I have, man. You may dress up in your Jordans and dress up in your name brand. And you may think that is it. I said, no, man. I said, you don't know what I have. Don't judge me because of what you see me wear. I choose to dress casual and regular because that is just the way I am. I have nothing to prove to nobody. But you got something to prove because you are poor. And because you're poor, you think that you have to put on this rich image to hide your true self. But you're a slave to poverty. And you have boast. And you dress up like you're rich, but you don't got nothing. So don't be fooled. Don't let how I dress fool you. You don't know what I have, man. You don't know. And this is where a lot of people, when you come to America, some people believe that some of us that are in America, we don't have ambition. And they think that we don't have assets or we don't got this. Because some of them don't have it. You have a lot of born American right now. They don't have nothing. And when the immigrants them come and work hard and achieve, some of them get jealous. Them get jealous. Lot of them get jealous. Immigrants come here and they work hard and surpass a lot of these born Americans. Pass them out. And some of them get jealous. Them get jealous. Evil entered in them eye because they are here wasting time. They run down name brand and don't got no substantial assets. Sometimes them step out and you look on them and you look at yourself, you say, rotted. I am working 2 jobs. And this money are sleeping in car and in dress, so. Seriously, you see some people, guys, them dressed like they have all the money in the world. And when you check it out, they don't got nothing. If they die, a government have to bury them. They don't got 1 red cent in the bank book. And sometimes want to belittle you who dress like some little simpleton and they don't know you. Look on Warren Buffett, guys. When you see how Warren Buffett dress, if you don't know Warren Buffett and you see Warren Buffett, you won't think that Warren Buffett is one of the wealthiest guy in the world. Because him dress casual. The guy who on Facebook, that you remember his name. Look how the guy dress. You know, one simple t-shirt and 1 jeans pants. But yet you got some people, especially some black folks, they don't got nothing and then dress like they got the whole world. Who overdoing it. And when they see me now dressing simple, they might talk about say, yo, you look shabby, you look like a poor thing. You need to carry yourself better. You don't know what I have, man. Not because I don't tell you what I have, you think that, oh, this guy is nothing. And a lot of people fall for that trick, man. I'm drinking my Capri Sun, guys. Yeah. And I'll say this to my fellow Jamaicans. And this is not just for Jamaicans alone. You see, if you come into America, have priorities, man. Auntie filed for them over 15 years ago and them still living in an anti-Jane basement. Don't want to come out of anti-Jane basement so that anti-Jane can get to paint our basement. Yeah, how much are you right now file for a relative? Right now they're living in your attic, live in your basement, they sleep on the couch. And when you look outside, they are driving a Tesla, a Mercedes, a BMW 7 Series. Park outside your house. And they're not even helping you to pay the rent. How much are you dealing with it right now? They're not helping you to pay the mortgage. They don't even want to buy food. But yet, they live in your basement, live in your attic. They sleep on your sofa, sleeping on your recliner, even all the catch on the ottoman. They may have a car and they may have clothes for show off, but they don't have no substantial asset. You kick them out right now, them done. Worrying about me dressing simple. I have on a little hat, a little no-name hoodie, and a little no-name pants, and a little cheap $5 slippers. And you attack me, tell me, say, me supposed to carry myself decent. You don't know what I have, man. You don't know what I have. And there's a lot of people out there like that, guys. There's a lot of people out there. They judge people based off their appearance, and they don't know what people have. There's a lot of people out there like that. Whole heap of people leave Africa. Especially Africa. Yes, you Africans. I know a lot of you. You come to America and you lose your dream, you lose your focus and get caught up in the hype. I know this lady, she filed for her 3 sons, bring her 3 sons from Africa. And the 3 of them get locked up. 3 of them get locked up. 2 get sent back and 1 in a prison right now. Get lost them focus, man. Come to America, want to join the bandwagon and join friends and lose focus. Enough of them already saying that black people don't want nothing and we are lazy and this. Don't join the line. Especially those of us who are not born in this country. Those of us that migrate and come to this country, don't get caught up within the nonsense. Let us work and achieve the goal. Are you the work? Nobody take up your whole of your money to buy name brand. No, I am not telling nobody that they cannot buy their clothes and buy what they want to wear, you know. But you can't work just for wear name brand. Got 5 pair of Jordans, you got 10 pair of Nike, you got 10 pair of Yeezys and this and that. And when you check it out, you don't even have an apartment, man. How many of you that are in America, Canada, England, or Germany, or Russia, China, how many of you right now, for some random reason, you should get deported? How many of you have anything back home to fall upon. There are a lot of us right now that are working in these countries. The time that a lot of us trying to compete with the Joneses, even when we can, why don't we try to invest back in the country that we came from? Why don't we try to invest? And this is not a one size fit all. I get it. Don't misunderstand what I'm saying, guys. I'm not saying that this is for everybody. My caprice finished, guys. Ask yourself this question. Why am I doing 2 jobs? Why am I doing 3 jobs? Why am I doing 4 jobs? Is it to earn the money so that I can try to be on par with my neighbor? Trying to be on par with the Robinsons, with the Joneses? Are you doing the 2 jobs, the 3 jobs to better your life? No. I don't have a problem with nobody that do 2 jobs, 3 jobs, because I did 2 jobs. It's not easy. It's not for everybody, guys. 2 jobs, 3 jobs is not for everybody. It beats you up, it wears you down, it breaks you up, it affects you mentally, physically, emotionally. Make all the girl leave you. Your girl say, boy, you don't have no time to make romance. Your girl gone. She find somebody else who can love a dubby. So you lose out. If you are working hard and you wear peerless shoes, or you wear the shoes from Walmart, you wear the clearance clothes them, and if your friend they say, why make you the dress so? Just compare yourself to your friend. Look at your asset comparing to your friend asset. Some of them, they work and they dress fancy, but they don't got nothing. How many of your friends right now, you know, them probably see you they drive up one little beat up car and they are driving a big truck, brand name car, and then them have a liquor cook out of them yard. And them invite you. A granny yard the person live. You not in a granny house. Poor granny they know not even get little money if you contribute to the mortgage or the utilities. They run down granny house with them 20 pitney and just fancy and flashy. And then you know was listening to them when them a tell you say you must stop wear your Walmart shoes and your PLS shoes and your Walmart brand and your clearance stuff. Only to see how them live. You now have a party at your yard and you invite them and you give them the address, and when they pull up at the address, they might call you because the address, the house at the address does not match the way how you dress. I am at this place. I think I'm lost. They think they're lost because the house that they pull up in front of does not match the way how you dress. So they might call to make sure say that they are the right address, because within themselves, the way how you dress, you don't live nowhere. Guys, keep on fooling them, man. Keep on fooling them. Keep on fooling them, because a lot of them see you, or you just take it easy and then think you don't got nothing until some of them pull up at your yard. Them things that them last, because within their mind, they can't fathom say, yes, so you live. They are wasting their money on the brand and on the flashy and the latest trend, but they're not spending their money on things that are substantial while you they do it. Guys, I know every latest will come out, you have to get it. You cannot keep up with it. If you don't got old money and long money, you they go run in a bankruptcy. Matter of fact, how many are you right now since you came to America? How many times you filed for bankruptcy, man? How many times you have filed for bankruptcy already? Because you put your basket where you can't reach. Yeah, Africans, yeah. Some of you Africans. How many times you filed for bankruptcy already since you've been in America? Because you they live beyond your means. Because your friend get the latest, you want the latest. If you don't got long money and old money, leave certain things alone, because you cannot maintain it. You cannot maintain it. And not because you may see a man a dress simple and you think say because you they spend your money upon the latest, you think say you have status or you are somewhere. No, you're not nowhere, man. You are on a shaky foundation, man. Shaky foundation. But this is my thing, guys. How can you be dressing fancy, in the latest fashion, driving the latest car, and you live in a grandma house? Yes, grandma house, or your mother house, or your auntie house. Yes, the one them that filed for you and brought you up here. in the country that you are right now. You wear the latest trend, you drive the fanciest car, and you live in your mother house, you live in a granny house, in your auntie house, and you're not even buy food for your eat. You're not even contributing to the mortgage. You're not contributing to the utilities. Disgraceful, man. You need to get out of your parents' house, out of your granny house, out of your uncle house. Find your own place to live. If you can afford the latest trend, every trend that come out, you want to wear it. And if you can drive the fanciest car, you need to have your own house, man. Stop run down granny place. Stop run down your mother place. Stop run down sister Ann, sister Jane, sister Lou, sister Jasmine place. Go get your own place. You're dressing fancy, spending $2,000 on a pair of sneakers, but yet you can't give your granny or your mother $100 for help to buy grocery for you get it for eat. You want to go to every party, go buy the biggest bottle of liquor for your friends them for $5,000, but yet when mortgage time come around, you cannot give your mother or auntie or your granny who for basement to live in a money to go towards the mortgage or the rent or the utilities or towards food to fill your long belly. Yes, because somebody you know belly long. You guys have a bottomless pit in your belly. Can't full. But yes, you dress up in the latest brand and they brag off on social media. But yet, you not help granny. Like, come on, man. If you are living overseas with a family man and your priority is to dress up, to go to party with your friends them, and to dress in the latest trend, you can't even give your mother or your grandmother or your auntie $100 and say, here, this is to go towards the food. Here, this is supposed to go towards the mortgage. Here, this go towards the rent. This go towards the utility. But every time you go out, you come in, you want food. Me, you don't come in, come see empty pot, nothing to eat. Me cook and eat, feed dog and puss and hands and rat and cat and snake, and you come in, everything empty. You gonna come in and smell the essence of something that was once there. You're dead for hungry. But I'm encouraging you, my fellow viewers, if you dey work, spend your money wisely, man. Spend your money wisely. With all that is going on right now, they say that it's a possibility that another recession is coming. Let us spend our money wisely, guys. It's not the time right now to waste money. Right now is the time to spend the money wisely. Let them spend your money on something that is substantial. And don't try to keep up with those who got long money. Don't try to keep up with those who got old money, because you can't. You're going to end up in chaos and problem. Alright? Thanks again for tuning in one more time to Manish Robinson TV. You know, that's how we do it. We come to encourage, to strengthen, and to show the people them there's another way to doing certain stuff in life. Alright? If you find this video interesting, just give the video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification that whenever I drop another video, you won't miss it. And yes, you young man right now, you, nobody walk away from the TV. Yes, I'm talking to you. The next time you get paid, man, give your mother 100 to go towards the utility. Give your grandmother 100 to go towards the mortgage or the rent or to buy food. You I'm talking about. You. And you too, my sister. Do that, man. Do that. You see, do that. Then go you then make your friends them feel happy. But when you come back home, you expect granny to cook good food give you and even wash your dirty linens them for your bed. Come on, man. Treat granny better. Alright? Bless up yourself. Have yourself a great one. Bye-bye.